Verifying your identity with SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union is essential for accessing your account securely. If your initial verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Review verification requirements. Check the specific documents and information required for identity verification. This may include your social security number, account number, and personal identification documents. Step 2. Gather necessary documents. Collect all required documents such as a government-issued ID, utility bills, or bank statements that can confirm your identity and address. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit additional information. Follow the instructions provided by customer support to submit any additional information or documents needed for verification. Ensure that all submissions are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting the required information, wait for confirmation from the credit union. This may take a few days, so be patient and check your email or account for updates. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your identity with SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union even if your initial attempt fails. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.